Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M4 Pro, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key and then select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and the volume up at the same time. So let's do that right now, power and volume up. And when you see the POCO logo on the screen, let go of only the power key. And this will boot us into recovery mode. Now from here, using volume keys, either up or down to navigate, you want to select safe mode, and once selected, press power key to confirm it. And this will now boot us into safe mode. And as you can see, we are now in safe mode. I'm gonna quickly verify my PIN for the SIM card, and there we go. As you can see, there is this little watermark right here to signify that we are in this mode, and additionally in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will work. So as you can see, everything that is by default on the device when you first set it up, anything that you have installed yourself will not be able to start whatsoever. So this mode is specifically designed for troubleshooting, so that is kind of the reason for it. Once you're done with this mode and you want to leave it, all you need to do is reboot the device. So hold the key, power key, and select reboot. Once the device boots back up, it will go back to normal mode. With that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.